If the outbreak of the coronavirus is making you a little jittery and you want some extra assurance that you're doing all you can to stay safe at home, here are several protective things you can do to keep the virus at bay. Number 1. Fight germs at your home now. While not much is yet known about how long COVID-19 can survive on surfaces, based on previous coronaviruses, yes, this isn't the first, experts think that COVID-19 can be killed by most household cleaners, including bleach, alcohol, or even plain old soap and water. The reason? This coronavirus is surrounded by a lipid covering that soap can break down. As a result, wiping down counters, doorknobs, faucets, cell phones, and other areas that often come in contact with people's hands can go a long way toward preventing the spread of germs and sickness in the home. Also, make sure to wash your hands with soap and water frequently. In fact, make a habit of washing your hands as soon as you walk in your front door. Number 2. Stock up on supplies. Curbing your exposure to the coronavirus starts with limiting your exposure to people who might be carrying it. In other words, stay home. It's suggested you stock up on enough food to last for a couple of weeks, including cereals, crackers, pasta, rice, frozen veggies, and canned goods. And don't forget toilet paper, as well as laundry and dish detergent. Number 3. Stock up your medicine cabinet. If you take a certain medication daily, it's smart to make sure you have enough in your cabinet. If you need to lock down at home, having all necessary medication at your disposal will keep you from having to leave. Number 4. Consider working remotely. As fear of the effects of the coronavirus has spread, some companies are urging employees to work from home. If you think you might need to work remotely in the coming weeks or months, take stock of your home office and be sure it has all you need. Order enough paper, ink, toner, and other work supplies.